In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FigJam to create user flow. To kick things off, open your browser and head to figma.com, then log in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, look toward the top right and click FigJam to open a fresh, flexible canvas designed for visual thinking. If you already have a FigJam in progress, feel free to open a recent file instead and continue building on it. With your canvas ready, find the Templates option near the top, right beside the Share button. Templates are a speedy head start. They come with ready-made shapes, connectors, and layout suggestions that keep your diagram consistent. Click Templates and in the search field, type Workflow. You'll see several workflow and user flow options, from simple linear sequences to more complex branching maps. Choose a template that matches the complexity of your project and insert it into your canvas. Now customize it into your user flow. Start by defining the entry point for your experience. Think of the exact moment a person begins, like landing on a homepage or starting sign up, and replace the first placeholder with that label. Move through the journey step by step, editing each shape to reflect an action or state such as viewing a screen, tapping a button, or completing a form. Use the existing arrows to guide direction and adjust them so your flow reads clearly from left to right or top to bottom. If the template includes branching, turn those nodes into decisions and give each outgoing path a short, descriptive label that explains the condition, like yes or no. Keep your text concise and consistent. Use the same verb style for actions and apply color to group related steps or to distinguish primary paths from edge cases. If a step is critical, slightly enlarge the shape or bold the label for emphasis. You can add brief annotations to capture requirements, copy variations, or assumptions so that anyone reviewing the flow understands the reasoning behind each step. As you refine, periodically zoom out and scan the entire diagram. You're checking for clarity, logical order, and any orphaned nodes that don't connect back to the journey. Remove template elements you don't need to reduce visual noise, and nudge shapes into clean alignment to keep the diagram readable. If you have parallel paths, space them evenly and maintain consistent arrow styles so the structure stays easy to follow. And that's it. You've logged in, opened FigJam, selected a workflow template, and customized it into a clear, shareable user flow you can iterate on as your product evolves.